Amazon among the U.S. companies likely to feel the effects of tariffs, but Wall Street is finding some silver linings. Kate Rooney joins us right now on what President Trump's move might mean for Amazon. Hi, Kate.
Hi, Becky. Good morning. So these tariffs are expected to be mostly negative for Amazon, but some investors are pointing out the impact on foreign low-cost competitors. So think of names like Shein and Temu, which could be some consolation for Amazon. So a bulk of items available on Amazon do come from China, mostly through those third-party sellers, not from Amazon itself. So Rohit Kulkarni at Roth estimates 30 to 40% of those who sell on Amazon import directly from China. About 60% of all of the items sold on Amazon are from those third parties. They may really be the ones here absorbing more of those cost increases. Amazon sells fewer goods directly, if you compare that to a Walmart or a Target, for example. And then Mexico, where tariffs are set to be 25%, that makes up less than 10% of Amazon's seller base. So there is an impact. Prices are likely to go higher. The upside, tariffs are taking aim at a trade loophole. It's gotten a lot of attention. It's helped Amazon's competitors, Shein and Temu, as I mentioned. They've skyrocketed in popularity really by undercutting on price. And they've used what's known as the de minimis exemption, which lets exporters ship packages worth less than $800 into the U.S. duty-free. That is going to be going away. Dan Ives at Wedbush is among those that thinks that dynamic makes tariffs a net positive for Amazon. The company does report earnings on Thursday. Investors are really going to want to know about Amazon. What levers can the company pull? How are they going to mitigate some of these costs and the effect on margins, Becky?
Yeah, and Kate, Steve and I were just talking about the tariffs being either an on or off. They're either on or they're off, but there's a third option too, is that they are on, but in a more diluted version with a lot of carve-outs for other areas too. The de minimis one is interesting, and it certainly impacts sellers on Etsy, on some of these other places too. But the idea that it's going to hurt some of the fast fashion that comes straight in from China, I don't know that anybody's going to be really crying a river over any of that.
Yes, absolutely. Becky, by the way, conversation with Steve was fascinating, but I think the de minimis, that loophole, regardless of what happens on the rate of tariffs, if they stay, that loophole hurting Amazon's foreign competition is huge for what was seen as sort of the bear case for Amazon. For a while there, late last year, there's all this talk about Shein and Temu really eating into Amazon's market share and the threat from those. So, analysts are saying, yes, prices might go up. The company, by the way, has the scale and the logistics scale to potentially absorb some of that. But the competition side of this is really one to watch. I think one that investors begrudgingly might be excited about here.